Hi there. We are in English group A2. I'm Abhishek MJBR. In this presentation, we are going to talk about the World War II. This quote was told by Winston Churchill that he says, "We shall fight in the streets, we shall fight in the hills, but we shall never surrender." That shows how much the World War mean to everyone. In this presentation, we will be mainly focusing on history and how the World War starts, the economical impacts due to the World War, social impacts, negative and positive impacts of this hazardous war. First, I will be talking about few key details of the World War II. As this slide shows, the World War II was lasted from 1939 to 1945. This war was involved by the most powerful and most wealthiest countries in the world, such as England, Germany, USA, Japan, and etc. Further, this war was between those countries, but the whole world had to suffer because of the negative impacts were very high in this war. Now I'll hand over the thank you. Now I hand over this presentation to Dhanushi.
Thank you, Janet. I am Karivasam DC. Now I am moving to history of World War II. As you can see in the slide, these are the main points of World War II. It started on 1st September 1939 and ended on 2nd September 1945. The main cause of the war is German invasion of Poland. Adolf Hitler ordered his troops to invade Poland. After that, Britain and France joined the war. As a result, the Second World War was started. There are some additional causes such as anti-communism, nationalism, militarism, and economic depression. Deaths directly caused by the war are estimated at 80 million people. There are additional 19 people death war-related causes. Now I am moving to next slide. The next is the two alliances of World War II. The next slide. Then the diagram clearly shows the countries and leaders of Axis power and Allied powers. German, Italy, Japan, Hungary are the main Axis powers. Adolf Hitler, Benito Mussolini, and Hirohito are the main leaders of them. Main Allied powers are Britain, United States, China, and Soviet Union. Franklin Roosevelt, Winston Churchill, and Joseph Stalin are the leaders who lead them. Now I am hand over the presentation to Isuri.
Thank you, Dusheni. I'm Dias A. Chaipi. So let's see what are the economic impacts of World War II. If I say the World War II was the most destructive conflict in the history, I think I'm not wrong because worldwide economy was depressed in the war period. So let's see what happened to the countries who suffered the most by the World War II and how they overcome from those painful situations. As you can see, those are the most affected countries by World War II. I'll begin by US economy. So US involvement in World War II had a significant impact on the US economy. Furthermore, American factories were rerouted to produce goods to support the war. Therefore, unemployment rate was dropped. Also, American women encountered to the employment. After the war period, the gross product of US grew very fastly and the US became a global influencer in economical. Then I'll go on European and Japanese economy. European and Asian economy were destroyed in the war period and also European black market was rising. After considered all of these circumstances, all the European leaders sat together to solve this problem and they need to work hard for establish the economy. Also, Japan had suffered a lot. As you know, US detonated two atomic weapons of the Japan series. Because of that, Japanese economy was greatly affected by the atomic bomb. However, Japan managed to become one of the greatest economic power on the world in such a short period. Finally, then I'll go to the next slide. I'll briefly discuss about what happened to the world economy. As you can see, those like unemployment and damaged buildings and so more, as well as it affected the good manner, like innovated new technology and so more. After considering all of these facts, I think World War II was the most important economic event of 20th century. Thank you, and I'll hand over to Charles.
Thank you. I am Gulratna Seyi. World War II is the largest war in human history. The causes of the World War II included the aggressive actions of Germany, Japan, and Italy. The treaty and the Great Depression helped to give rise to several authoritarian governments, moving the world closer to another war. One major effect of the World War II was the development and use of the nuclear weapons, which would later lead to the Cold War. And many countries got independent after the World War II. They started playing their role in their international relations. Capitalism started enhancing in the world. New ideologies started. Globalization has started in that period. By considering these situations, there are many social effects of the World War II. In that period, 4 lakh Mexican Americans served in the armed forces during the war. Home ownership and college attendance both grew in the United States after the war. More death and destruction than any other conflict in history. Women went to work in large numbers. The most common job for a woman take on during World War II was that of a nurse. After that, the millions of women filled the manufacturing jobs. And other social effects of the World War II is government restrict unions, but labor shortage allowed unions to demand many rights. African American and other minorities helped to fill the job gaps. This is the pie chart of the military deaths of the World War II. According to that chart, most of the military deaths in Soviet Union, it's above 100 lakhs. I will hand over the presentation to Pirang.
Thank you, Charuka. And I'm Basnaik BMDMP, and I'm going to talk about the negative impacts and positive impacts of the World War II. So, firstly, I would like to touch upon towards the negative impacts. As you can see, there are 4 negative impacts, and I'm going to talk about the most important points of the negative impacts. As you know, 3 to 4 of world population in 1940 was looted during the World War II, and impacts the loss of human lives caused negative impacts on mentality of people, daily routine, economy, and politics, ethics, and belief, etc. So the common period of depression after war affected the economy in large. Rather than being productive, people tend to beat the suffering they experience throughout the World War II. And unemployment issues and destruction of humanity issues were there, and those are also negative points. Then I would like to go to the next slide. This is about positive impacts. As I did the previous slide, I'm going to brief the most important points of the positive impacts, and there are 4 positive impacts, and now I'm brief the most important points. So the prosperity of US economy caused the worldwide transaction happen in US dollars, and US dollars was replaced to gold stands. And when I talk about the emerging markets, and free trade and mixed economies can be seen in the concept of emerging market. Free trade has created a created a way for countries to make a good fortune in their products according to the availability of resources. And we have mentioned the third one before. The women were encouraged to work, and growth of early modern literature also one of the best plus point. And next, I would like to go to the conclusion. Actually, I'm going to conclude our presentation. So we have talked about our history of the World War II, and economical impacts, social impacts, negative and positive impacts of the World War II. And when we talk about the duration of the World War II, it was happened like 6 years. And then we lost 70 to 80 million people from this war. And even though the economy grew up 11 to 12%, the unemployment rate was very high, and the essential good was at scarcity. These are our references. So we got all these information from these references, and now I'm going to wind up this presentation, and thank you all.